come my way. Oh yeah.
Okay, some year do no. Okay, I'm not here to no one. Hey, you're one man, then why? Hey, me pay so I need you see me say wo ni ase no. Bi ona me dem nhwe me ye, mutu suma nko, asam nko a. Na enti die pa na timi hama enti mutimi ekun santokwa no. Ade ne hamo. It is a pass, say, Bibi Koyam no Mukuya. I can hear some of your catching parents. Ah, talk to Opoku. Say,
talk to one. Talk to one. Talk to one.
Ah, Opoku. What bone? What was I doing school more? And today, Pan, our person in school more. Ever since I was school more, what I do, son, they are basing there. A day.
Let me pen my son.
It's a open so di my day, Nadiana. My day not to school man, our person who go school man. Open says over to on the Sudi Nadia. I didn't saw about young Conono. Che?
No, Kaka, ever can say, but then that's a bar.
Thank you.
What I be a come, but they must only say, said I want to sit home and can cook control be a more be a something. Yes, why? And more be a something as I dare.
She say you be busa say I didn't see our boy hina. Over can say.
And the meaning independent Thomas.
Hey, well, when woman so anka for 2 weeks. What did they make a chono? 2 weeks. You when woman so anka for 2 weeks. They do a mess up by the me.
And I'm a part of me.
So I won't bath
for 2 weeks. We be a paper if you work and found soon cook.
I mean, I'm one young and
and I saw you from Pegary.
What on me?
No free many soon call
every day, Miss Sloan, move beyond why.
Me move biente. Me busa one cabecon one autumn. Opoku school one cabecon one autumn.
Yes, I want a minute. It's not.
Monquay.
There is out in a home pound. I'm going to say me a people away. No, son of me.
Wow.
Son.
Nay, me say thank you, Nabahon.
Hey! Where there's a cola? Hey! In a pump store.
Say, Miss So for Jusica, yes, sir.
Where the fidelity Kukua? Kukua.
Are they uni and be my?
Say, now it's a cola night. Ah, who is a cola night?
Sound pose a corn called a ball pound.
I tell you, said there was a half shoe.
Adams, why did you call me here?
Anderson, like, you know, of late, there's a fire on the mountain. There's a fire on this campus. And you see, things are not right. You know, people have been telling lies about people on this campus.
It's normal in every school.
Nothing is normal. I know where I'm coming from, Anderson. I know where I'm coming
from.
Why
exaggerating? Yeah,
you know, do you know, and with the kind of friendship that you've started involving yourself with these new students, these fun ones, these new students, you know, like it will bring a whole lot.
They just come to me for me to help them, just that.
Are you a teacher?
They are facing some challenges in the school. It's normal for a Form 1 student to come and ask help from a Form 3 student.
I'm not basing on someone specifically. I'm not mentioning anyone's name. I'm just advising you. It's a general advice. I'm just giving you a general advice. Like, just be careful with how you mingle yourself with these newcomers.
I don't understand the reason why you are doing all this.
Anderson, it's not safe. Huh? It's not safe.
What's not safe?
Like, the kind of friendships we are taking on this campus, why? Huh? Because you like so just be careful.
I'm always working alone. Me, I don't have friends in the school.
I didn't call you here to ask you questions. So I just called you here to advise you. I just called you here to advise you. Just be careful.
What's the reason behind all this?
There's no reason behind this, but
there is a reason.
There's no reason, but where you are going far.
You are exaggerating, Scanty. What have I done?
You yourself, don't you know what's going on this campus? Today this, tomorrow that. Today this, tomorrow that. This guy have said this about this. This lady has said this about this. You yourself don't you know what's going on this campus? Anderson.
So that's the reason why you called me here.
Yeah, that's the main reason, because I don't want you to be a victim.
Victim of what? Hey, who's a Scanty? Victim of what?
Me, if it's to be me.
As if there is some pressure on you.
There's no pressure on me, Anderson. No pressure can be on me, because after our heart, there's no pressure on me. Like me, if it's to be me, you should just even stop being friends with anyone, more especially the Form 1 students, those who came just a month ago.
Okay.
Because you are Form 3 students, why should you even mingle yourself with this?
I don't even know what you are talking about, because I'm no one is my friend.
Someone is your
Do you
friend,
understand
but you don't
friends? Do you understand friendship? Do you? If somebody is saying hi to me, it does not mean that the person is my friend.
Then let me put it this way.
I shouldn't even say hi to anybody.
Yeah, stop talking to
I should frown when I'm walking.
The newcomers, stop talking to them. Don't mingle yourself with them, because
Okay, I hear.
Listen, like, you see, me for instance, very soon someone can come to you and tell you that, oh, Scanty was even my guy and blah blah blah. Meanwhile, it's not true, but automatically one day someone can come to you and be like,
hey, Scanty.
Yeah, and same goes to you. Someone can even
but it's your past life. That one I don't care. We are living currently, so if somebody comes to me and come and tell me you were having something with her, or I don't care. It's your past life.
It's not about past life. I'm talking about lies. How someone can lie on me. The same goes to you. Someone can come to me and be like, do you know Anderson was my...
I'm not doing anything. So if somebody comes to you and come and tell you, I can explain myself to you. That goes to you too. If somebody come and tell me something and it's not true, you can explain yourself. And we are going to understand each other. Is that all?
And listen, I'm just advising you.
I said, is that all?
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months with your me yeah. Oh Lord.
Tatiana. I know I didn't Tatiana. Oh yeah, dear Tatiana.
You know what one minute.
And you remember bomb you know Tatiana. I know I'm talking see and I'm in from Fulano. And I'm when I say Tatiana. Now sound to quan for me I'm winning you. And to me I'm winning you.
When are you winning?
I don't when I then the world lose way. Huh? I'm not the way and I'm young granny and try ye. Na me many gumi many must walk from Fulani. Why not you? Why not they get say?
No, yeah, Menka, someone shot off our cotton. You see, school how be any man, I'm cramming if you listen. I don't know, yes, sir.
Tatiana.
You quite to me, Papa cries, and you find I think.
Tatiana. I am before too. Me, shall I say? Me come once a man, nothing made over past him. Echo, tenana bibio. Me na mama, you make. Oh, I said no, a 2 3 man. No man, you make. Anything make a you know. Oh, can you na? Me a man is with them 2 3 man. Men can't true be. Pacham, why?
Wait, I made a show.
I was saying, make us out, won't he? Make us out, be chunk over the tone. And to me, any part.
Said yourself, thought away, Yana.
Facham, what? Tatiana, me, ye be busy, me yet, your one, be Tatiana, Facham, want it. Facham from Bonnie in our chimney. The free now call, the are 2 men, may not sure say may be busy. Why, Tatiana?
So, when to never find your 5 beer. So, I don't want me in a swat and I'm haunted.
Tatiana, I'm may part of Tatiana. Jabby be a maninka. Ah, Tatiana, Brahma, Brans, and I'm Miss Autobus on Tatiana. We hear me more, me rubber hole. Tatiana, may have meaningless. This is all Tatiana. Huh?
Imagine
Sir,
imagine who was to say.
and remember how many minutes?
Imagine what is
I'm just saying, remember how many minutes?
how many years? And how many minutes are they? Imagine
Tatiana, sa boy now, woman is same chron. Some of them won't even say. Tatiana, because I made 2 attendants, boy in his scratch, what Tatiana. Why will you grow? But see, I'll be first in or not for see. Tatiana. School, mamma, coming in the permit my boy, school, Tatiana.
Impon our question.
Tatiana, man, shut that. And number 4, Tatiana. Ah, Tatiana. I started relationship. Any 1 week cry, Tatiana. Any 1 week, Tatiana. Yes, I will do it for me, Tatiana. Where's the one idea, Tatiana? I mean, so me enjoy relationship, Phoebe. Tatiana, my father no crown to more, Tatiana. God, at least my father banning to me. That was a mathematical, Tatiana, my blue. Tatiana, Moboti.
Obine say, you want to wadi. You want to compare our powers.
Tatiana, my name's Obufua. Say it you. My name, send me a show before. My name says, "I go to Mr. Menya dia be ma kokwa akoma abasu bi mo ate Tatiana fa dia bi bia ma ne ka fa bone che wate nsna Tatiana
Ya mejo me akwadwen
o sese
me kwadwen o
Tatiana me ma how many minutes o dey me ma how many minutes o dey dafa na me maji mo ai
mejo ho wa me wi me ma wansa
Tatiana Until me call relationship mo na ye na man call relationship mo na ye. Ha Tatiana. Baston. Instead of my voice here you find there. Unse we met my advert am super you wan fool. So results happen. That's a 1%. Super A1 Zebra. No be morning dear. Brony friend no narrate. Obetro said he is in one. Brony friend no snail. Not my because Bibia buy a chance. Meant me if I boy say and I'm hate. Me hona bonam and I'm school. Met my advert I'm to pay one. To the super one for baby mobile. A platform. Moto Monsan frame. Baby advert mama. Baby I do money be work. I'm in chromacy upon. Possible any friend no. Science and University Tech of Company. And a beautiful cultural center. For what's my year? To buy one woman for me.
Vaughn. What's the name?
Oh, it was not. It was just an accident. I was going back to the dormitory a few days ago, and then I slipped on the curb, and then I hit myself.
Excuse now, woman. It doesn't make sense, so. You just slipped.
Yes, it's the truth.
No, Vaughn, you are changing. Vaughn, me team me who say. Michelle, na yes say na na otie. We obi ana wo mpe ho asem, wo mpe kasa. Afiri eden. We sure so we obi anko.
Oh no, of course not. Why will I fight with anyone?
Sorry.
Why will I fight with anyone in this school, eh?
Sorry. You are changing, Vaughn. You are changing. Honestly, you aren't like this. Eh? Say also who say obey daddy. Enche obey oba. Na oba beba na weni aye say ya. No, initial henfa.
Santo, I said it's nothing. We will go eventually. It was just an accident.
Just an accident. My main can't show say me shame na me who say me who no kra na woman me who say wa anti an hwe keke na mum bibi ntina na bibi me de me sabe keka obi a. So the only day meet me.
So right now, me that I'm hurted, that you are supposed to be consoling me.
Masa, ube kanokre ni sisi ya.
I'm telling you the truth. Oh,
you're telling me the truth.
You want me to get hurt more? Oh.
Ene me kacho me mpese me ba ne bebe wiase no. No eni ba ko na apai na se why disable bi. Me mpesa ade no. Me mpesa kacho. Tu nim sa. So unim se nukre bi wo ho no ma na ahya se na waka nukre ni sisi ya. Na yehudu bebi e de asem ne beto. Unim na be waje sa se ubetwitwa me ntwa se ube misbehave ache me asese se awanye me nti upese wo che se zi ano swag bie ni me mu bie me nti no be fufa che wo no mama sa me che wa. De so unim de mitime.
It's okay with this pregnancy thing, and then father, what is that? David, am I the only one who is going to have a child this year?
Oh, so you don't want to be a father? You don't want to be a father? After getting me pregnant, you don't want to be a father?
Santua, please, my head is aching. I haven't even taken my medication for the day. You called me, I thought you were even going to console me and things.
Me? Console you?
After what has happened, don't do that. No, it's not good at all. The way it's sitting, be set to that well, then by this time, bunu be mama na, light soup be mama na, kamede.
Nkatin konto na obedi. Nkatin konto. Na obedi. Me condition we me fa nkonko bunu ma wundi. Ade masoma wo. Wo na wo se wo ka che me say oh baby, you say ade wonye me wo se me nkrokro. Then na obedi. What are you craving for?
This condition also. Santua, please. I don't have time for this. I'm going to take my medication. My head is aching. I want to take my medication and sleep, please.
Let's go and sleep together. We are all going.
Go where?
We are going to sleep.
It's okay, well, me, I'm going. I'll go somewhere before I go and sleep.
Go where? Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go where?
Oh. Don't let me change. And my main sister, Yenko. The Kanamindi Wechio. Ale.
Yeah, me pen I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months with your mayor. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Hey. Alma. Yeah, precious. Hi. I'm fine. Sorry. Sorry. Well, I've been meaning to talk to you about something. These days you don't come for steady meetings.
Who, me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm about.
When was the last time we studied together? You don't come. And then during prep 2, you'll be studying, I'll be seeing you studying. Then the next minute, you wouldn't be in the study room again. Why? Where do you go to?
Yeah, I'm a bros.
So you go to sleep. Why are you acting this way? You said you wanted to do well. And you started learning and it was getting better.
But I do, but I say, that
was why I started learning with you. And then now you don't meet me again.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes we'll be in the dormitory. And then I look at your bed and then you wouldn't be there. Where do you go to?
To the mini maps.
At dawn and at night. Why are you lying?
It's true. You can ask this girl.
But they close at 7.
No. Who told you?
They close at 7.
Share. Why do you know I'm calling you? 10.
What about 3 a.m.? Where do you go to?
Yeah, I'm a corporate.
Hey!
It's true. I'm not telling lies.
Amma, you are changing.
Precious, I'm not.
Exam is around the corner. If you don't change, you are going to fail. I'm worried about you, honestly. Okay.
I've heard you, but you, the exams, I'll come and see you.
Yeah, funny. Tomorrow, come. You know we meet on Wednesdays and on Fridays. Okay, so you try and come tomorrow, okay?
Time.
Our normal time. Have you done the math assignment?
Oh, yeah.
Were you able to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Who helped you?
This guy, Pastor James.
Okay. Oh, nothing. It's just that the guys in this school, they are scary. They are of bad behavior only. But since it's Brother James is mid. He's okay. But still, take care of yourself. The fact that he's brother James doesn't mean you have to follow him. Okay. If you need any help, just come to me. Okay. Don't trust anybody in the school. I'll see you later. Can go back to texting the person who was making you happy.
Oh. Okay. Thanks, okay.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, I drum Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will.
Headmaster, you may be good to school one man. One win won't see a no choir. Headmaster, you may be good.
Hey, then I cause I won't cause I never be because Nena Wati, dear Panawati.
Think we didn't get it fine. Not to school, Headmaster Tony Befo. Yes, in Koran, we are cool. We are crazy. Now, can I say?
Now, dear Necos of me, someone kind for you.
Headmaster, you believe it, say, Fanfula, and you Opoku, and to call Mount Kono, and then to what to do.
Fanfula no Opoku school.
Master, Fanfula, ni. The Nina Cronini Hangina say, I say.
Nania says,
Nini, Hangin,
about the sign of Fanfula and Nima says,
Hobby. And now Opoku so say, now Cronini say, Nina Bogun. Ah, Opoku ni Bogun, no BC. Who?
Nadia Contocabenco.
You saw Monco. No one so being coin or between Prasa.
No being coin, Nasa, Natuna Masama, who can will be coin and opera.
Maybe some place on
Montaco be been about Abobo when you prepare more.
Make you know what I mean, Chelsea.
Because Nippon Sunday, I may say, but because they chogu and will be any.
Mr. Van Fullen in a year, you see you.
Hey, Jai. I don't also exaggerate here, some sir.
Hey, Headmaster.
Ah, Musakola and Colanomaku, who may pray be a big cran or dear Yakata to and then knee to the knee to on his ade.
As some Pan Americano. American almost said deny so Monco.
A monk when they didn't know Quepra.
That's the point. It your monk when they know Mopra. 18 croners of your baby catcher because of Crani and Craboni.
Colawit. Opoku, dear, how Opoku, at some baby school have beer for Opoku. Be your Opoku boom. Officer, be your Opoku boom. Adding.
Headmaster Fisa Crebe Skuma and Opoku ha. Echino Opoku minute. Echo Opoku tea. No more,
Opoku, I'm saying some man of suspension.
Minaka down
or some suspended Opoku. Because from full on one pen was.
Oh, Headmaster Jay, from full and so ya Craboni. You from full and a shumun and say near woman.
No, the facts of a shumun just so ya Craboni. Ah.
I come to school, what you journey with that is yet. You will saw Headmaster and
easy. Some that come and and to two bomb my park and also. Opoku sword ding, Opoku na sword
and I'm from full and so ding. If see a punishment, near punishment from full and so won't be.
Hey, school, I mean, I manage school and now I manage school.
And they say what?
Neither is the owner of Champion.
Eh, so I didn't get
my mount. I also say, with me and your own.
No, Headmaster.
Huh?
No, not at all.
Open transfer.
From where?
Open transfer.
From where to where?
Made what could take class beyond a rubber. May make us a war challenge me. Opoku or dinner may make an war challenge me. Would they call measure show? No Poku and Shinia, my man suspension.
Hey, see where the old man was mentioned, then any old man from full and so can be.
And there was a me, any more to me. My discretion and a better near or no because suspension in the better school.
Ah, Headmaster, I didn't know put all side from full as
Hey. Oh, we'll be prayer and washing, we'll be tea and yarn washing. About administrative worker, say you manage school now, and you what you might mean.
Need your bank, no bank, some one penny bonus, sir, and can you your problem?
Sir. Hey.
And then not any from
school,
and from full of Kruno, Nenina, Ebe Yaba. Say, if say, Opoku, oh, Castle Opoku Ninye, Abamisum say from full and so ya bonny in the year.
That's a say, what challenge me?
They be me challenge you,
what challenge say, oh no, why you got my boy?
Baby.
Edusa.
Baby, no do say.
Okay.
And do baby, so we are some can yin a can. So don't mean yes, so I go.
Ono hwan is so adwe. Me no na manage school no. Wo to nyansa be na wo trim. Ah wo ba ma me nyansa.
And so me dey tell.
Enti America so hwe na boko transfer no.
And the muscle.
Yo. What there when you get to the river we shall cross.
And I see be swim you see a bed deal you ever cross.
Seer. No matter. No, God. What's up? I wanted to talk to you. About what? You see, of late, you don't talk to me. I don't see you around campus. Even at the hostel, I barely see you. Is there a problem? No. Or I've done something wrong? You've done nothing. I'm always at the library. Have I offended you? No. Maybe you are my sister-in-law, auntie. That's why it's weird, because you don't talk to me. And then I've been seeing you with some girls. Those girls, like, I don't want to mention names, right? But then I should be the one to, you have to come to when you have a problem. Even if it's something I can't help you with, I'll try my best to help you. Oh God, girls need to all born with the young pill. Oh no, I can't do. I don't want it to be like I'm snitching or something. Oh, okay. Just like you said, since I'm your sister-in-law, I should be the one you should be talking to. You don't work with me anymore. Oh, as I said, I'm always at the library. Always. See, once I dream, anytime be a library yet. Can say, let me say my bedroom. What you say? So they be open me come to the library. So learning is the problem. You're always learning. I can help you out. You don't have to work with them. What being? No, I'm not saying that. But then the little I know, you see, I've been in this school for quite some time now, so I can help you with the little things I know. So meaning we are like you're the same, right? Not that. Me probably I'll be young. I don't know about church me like your many so but I can say being yet the and me to member one of my can't say. I don't top up the class, but at least I'm part of the first 10. Oh, okay. Yes. Oh, so my sister-in-law is brilliant.
Not brilliant.
Hey, Seer. Cool. So where is my brother?
I think he went to get something. I don't know if he's back.
That's been my catcher and say like on top provisions be mommy. I was thinking say it's because of you as one person better Gary shit on my base. Or catch himself cry DB. Hey, so I'm okay so anyway, say no. Also any time they am about ball honum. But troubles money when your money na me ban my baby. Sunny money. Ediane pay. And kasa.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Opoku, what happened to you guys? Don't look at me like a dummy. What happened to you? Huh? Famfula, tell me, what happened?
I went for studies. As I was coming, see there are some stones on the road to the hostel.
I know there are some stones. Did I go there with you?
Yeah, I'm sorry, I said, please. I tripped and then my eye hit the pavement, the corner of the pavement like this.
Good. And Opoku, what happened to you?
I was climbing the steps.
Which steps?
The hostel.
Which? Your hostel?
The boys.
Boys hostel.
I was climbing the steps. Then I didn't see that there's a water on the floor. So when I realized, the water flipped me.
The water flipped you?
And I somersault. And my nose hit on the floor.
My God. Opoku. Hey, Famfula. What do you think you are doing?
Oh,
then now you are. No, I didn't move trouble. Why are you lying to me?
I'm not
Why
lying.
we lie about something?
I'm not lying.
So you fell when you were coming from.
But maybe the end there.
I don't want any more.
Say it. Along the one.
Another thing to know be girl when I need
and then one on the one bone.
So no to me so you say they be a concern. You see that somebody smarter which does not concern him at all. They wanted to attack.
Headmaster, you send me my die. Headmaster, is it a lie?
Hey, so you people fought, and you are hiding this from me. You are lying.
So we didn't fight too.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Fanfuna, let me tell you something. You know I like you so much, but honestly, what you are doing nowadays is becoming too much. Hey.
You like girls too much.
Who likes girls? Shut up.
The student in the school.
Hey, Opoku. See, the student in the school. What has the student do?
But the student is in the school, so this boy like the girls too much.
Hey, Allah. Hey, Opoku. Wo nkwasa sam na ho. Mami nka trinity. Enya bibi na medi mani to an kasa me ma. Bo waso bebe a ogina no. So de wusu wajimi. Cause I say be a because school be our can be. The bakwa baby are on home for mu. Me boy. Say school ma dey wo dey wo ho no. You dey because be our Opoku din. Hey. Who ya bon suspension. What did they make catch on? Huh?
I'm coming me spray go.
Me say who ya bon suspension, who dey go mama indefinite suspension.
Give it.
Hey.
Say
Motima kokon e de ade abobo manimu ba be jan ma twanto ache me pani se wo nam you call se wo call prep so ko here wo ba na o hwe ase wo so we so se den hey
so that me first steps na so go na e pa me.
Okay,
so you know that the
steps.
Let me tell you something. The best person you can ever deceive on this earth is yourselves. You can't deceive anyone, so you might think you are deceiving me. You are deceiving yourselves. So if you are lying, so be it.
I'm not lying. I'm telling you.
Why would we lie to you? The headmaster of our esteemed institution.
We can't do that. Oh.
What can you hear me? Who crowd? Can't you know?
Opoku, go. You get us in trouble.
Headmaster Opoku.
I'm Jimmy. Mr. Kwa, who do you feel when you know? I'm a bit no cheese on Menko. Grady Opoku.
Headmaster, me feel when you
Mr. Jimmy. I didn't know what Jimmy said. What did you say? Headmaster, Mr. Kwa, Opoku Kwa.
Me Kwa.
Oh. One day. You from Kula. Let me warn you. Don't follow the bad wagon.
Why did you call me?
Oh, so can't I just come and say hi or just come and...
Oh, but you look like you have something to say.
Yes. Although I have something to say, but you can't just question me in that way.
I'm sorry.
I wanted us to go out, but looking at the weather...
I'm sure it will rain. It will rain.
Yeah. Precious. I have some conversation with you, very serious one.
Talk to me.
This thing has been haunting me, and I don't think I can keep it anymore.
Just go straight to the point. What is wrong?
I don't know how you are going to take it, but if I don't tell you, I'm not feeling comfortable in this school. Like, I think it's time for me to just tell you everything. Like, I'm just tired with the hide and seek thing.
Have you been noticed that you're not okay? When you came to school, you were not really doing well academically, and then now you're even doing worse. So I could tell that there's something wrong. Tell me so that you'll be free.
You let me just tell you the whole truth. Like, it's about like there's how I don't know how you're going to take this, but
talk to me.
So I'll come back by 3 p.m.
Why? Do you want us to go somewhere else to talk?
No, I'll come back. I'll come back.
Adams.
Precious, I'll come back. You don't worry.
I thought girls are the ones supposed to be dramatic. What is all this drama? What is all this drama?
Hey, mommy.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Don't be frowning. You yourself, you don't look nice. So why are you frowning?
Sure.
You know what you look like.
Who told you to look nice? Sure.
You don't know I look nice.
Who told you?
I don't need anyone to tell me I look nice.
You are a funny girl. You are a
funny guy too. You are also a funny guy.
Guy.
You've been working in the school looking all pompous. You think I come to worship your words?
You are talking too much. I'll tap you.
Oh, tap me.
If you
tap me, my J, tap me. Tap me. Tap me. This is my hand. Tap me. If you want to have a taste of prison, tap me. Tap me, my J. Tap me.
A taste of what?
Come. Tap me. Tap me.
Now we don't know.
Tap me. Tap me. Me pesa o bomb me.
Hey, here brony obekatwi. Be doing me. What's the matter?
Tap me. You said tap, right?
Yeah. So I am humble.
Don't you want to go to prison?
So what me match?
Oh, I can tell you want to go to prison. Tap me. Hit me. Hit me, my J. Hit me.
Oh, me, I won't eat you. I won't eat you. For treachery, sometimes me.
For what?
For treachery, sometimes me. I put my eyes on down.
You are scared.
I'm not scared.
You are scared.
I'm scared of you.
You are scared.
I'm scared of you.
Hit me then.
I'll put on.
Hit me, my J.
I'll put
Hit me.
If I want to scare someone, I'm scared of you. You. I'll go like that. You. Come on for here for this side. You think me I'm a shy boy? What can you say here? You think I'm a shy boy?
Hit me.
Let me show you.
Hit me. Just
come on for this side.
Please, just hit me once. Just one. One. Just one.
Hit me. Be at my police station. I don't know. I can't take out a chim to see a Hey, what you mean? How do you
try?
What you mean?
Next time, do it again. You will see what's out there. Drama, of course.
Hey, where you chill up at 10? When do you see Kikemua? Give a bit in the rape case, Pratum, so you say the OAD. Yeah, let me tell you something. You can't frustrate me. You can't frustrate me. A devil girl like you. These two of people, they are meaning me. But me, if you try me, you won't complete.
Tatiana, best school. Many are show the main person be the mass and also because we are headmaster back. And I may two way school Mohanum. Be deemed the heart of that same yet. It's main person may idea. A beside a deal the other become a deal. My shouldn't me trusted the amount. Tatiana, who free von. Who free from Fulahu. Mashada Humudi, who said, I'm on one side now, Shannon Chen was so one other day. Who free who, madam.
You saw it your bare eyes, or someone just came to tell you.
Whether I saw it with my eyes or someone told me, I'm just warning you. Stay away from him.
And let me tell you this, me standing there talking with him doesn't mean say we are dating or something. So I will still talk to him, no matter what. You can't warn me on this.
You still talk to him?
I will still talk to him.
Oh, I see. You are very brave, I see. Now, only be na home.
So many need now interest in dating and you.
Let me say, why me some say and son oba. Na oba and you come ask him chill ni am more history ni na ancho nti me say. E o so nyan for. Ene me ban so grandma. The next time so more. We must say yes, you should. Come catch you.
Such